Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Tom Bradley Terminal B, the International Terminal. Yeah, let's go for a walk over to the West Gate. This is the center area with a couple of the shops. Yeah, we're looking for the gates in the 200s. It's kind of a cool central area of the airport for the terminal. And have a look. I'm not sure if it's like an underground walkway or if they're running shuttles to the West Gates. See if we can get over there. Here we go, 201 to 225. And, oh, you know, it goes down this hallway. Okay. I actually restarted this video. I thought there'd be sign for the West Gates, but it's all by gate number, so I had to look up the gate number. And rather than dragging you guys through that, I just restarted the video. So this, oh, you know what? That shit is an underground walkway. Okay, well, this is kind of neat. And we got SAS over there, Scandinavian. I think it's Turkish, Finnair, ANA. I think I saw Royal Jordanian. ANA, Frontier. Okay, so this, guys, this is all new. Let's go for a little trip over here in the West Gates.
Right to the top.
All right, we are almost at the bottom. Normally I'd walk, but okay, what are we saying here? 5 to 6 minutes walk to gates. Looks like some moving sidewalks down here. I'll try and walk a little faster. See if I can get ahead of the crowd there, walk a little faster. It's 201 to 225. It's kind of neat, the blue lighting. Looks like we got some, oh, look at that. On the left side, history of the airport. $1950. First airport parking structure. That's actually quite nice down here. And I think we got one more moving sidewalk down here. There's the walk time for the gates. Probably just go to the central area and then I'll walk back. advertising by Sixt in the middle here. The king of SUVs, BMW X5. And then we got some Marriott advertising. Not sponsored. Do not cross when lights are flashing. I wonder what that's all about. That's a good way for me to get my steps in today. All right, looks like we're coming to the gates. People mover, cart going through. Okay, gates over here. This almost reminds me a little bit like the new terminal at Bangkok, except for it's got a train connecting. Over to the other side, Air France Lounge is over here. That must be new. Two long gates. Up the escalators. Oh, there we go. Air France Lounge. Elevator to level 6. All right, that's. Oh, let's not go. Let's try not to go up the down escalator. What goes up another level yet? I wonder what's up there. Gates?
This is the last and final boarding call for this flight.
Okay.
Please immediately make your way to gate 210B.
All the gates are up here. Bradley Westgates, there we go. So, okay. Well, I'm glad I finally got a chance to come over here. I got a good view of some of the planes. Bit of a food court here. Couple of levels up. The Air France Lounge is, oh, there it is up there in the middle. And then we got the gates. All right. Yeah, I probably won't walk down to the end, but maybe we can just kind of go up to 2-1 here, just to kind of have a look at the seating and the layout by the gates. Yeah, okay, so there we go. There's the seating for the gates. It goes down a couple more. And, yeah. So if you have a flight operating out of the West Gates, that's how you get here. Or if you're landing and coming back, I might as well keep rolling so you can see the process in reverse. I gotta head back. Head over to the American Express Lounge will be the next stop on my adventure today. Wait for the free tunnel shuttle. Well, they must have a shuttle running. Probably those carts move people back and forth. Let's take a look down this side here. Oh, there's only 4 gates down here. This might be kind of short. Yeah. Not too much down here. And then duty free. So I have a feeling they'll probably expand this out. As far as I understand, most of this was built off site and then kind of moved in overnight. Yeah, and then a couple more gates down there. It's kind of cool with the levels and everything. Seas Candies.
We kindly ask all remaining passengers of Finnair Flight A122 Helsinki to proceed to gate 132.
Oh, and then bus transfer to other terminals. Proceed to level 3. Okay. So there must be like an airside bus service going from here if you need to connect to other terminals rather than doing the long walk. Yeah, all right. Okay, well, let's head back. So you guys can have directions in both directions. A bunch of people coming in here, and let's go back down. So this would be like if you're arriving on a flight in the West Gates, Terminal B. Alright. Back down we go.
Vi ber alla passagerare som ännu inte är på plats att genast bege sig till gate 132.
Baggage, okay, baggage claim ground transport. This will take us over to the main section of Terminal B. There's your calories burned. Well, that's handy. 23 calories burned. Walking along here. And this is all in real time, guys. So since the start, we're about 13 minutes into the walk. So it's about 10 minutes each way, I'd say. My little bit of a tour walking around once we got there. See if I can get in front of these guys here on the walkway. There we go. That must be the free shuttle that goes back and forth if you don't want to walk. There was history of LAX on the screens on the way over. Maybe it'll be coming up again after the advertising. Oh, no, we got more 6 to advertising. See if I can get in front of these people there.
Please allow passengers to pass on left.
May I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown person attempts to give you any item, including luggage to transport on your flight, do not accept it and notify airline personnel immediately. Do not leave luggage unattended. All carry-on and checked luggage is subject to search.
I recognize that recording from years and years ago. Still exactly the same. Alright, so we'll take these escalators up and then we'll be back at the main side of Terminal B. Well, it's kind of nice to run in those courtesy carts if you don't feel up for the long walk.
Gates 130 to 159, I guess.
Okay, and we're back where we started. Terminal B. Gates 130, 159. And if you're continuing on to ground transport, baggage claim. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. All right, I got my steps going in up the escalator, and we are back at Terminal B. All right. Got PF Chang's up there, Pret a Manger. Lots of food options, KFC, 800 Degrees Pizza. Star Alliance Lounge is actually up there on the 3rd level. And I'm going to head over, wrap things up at the Amex Lounge. See how crowded it is over there still.
I just need a minute.
It was, it was almost an hour in the wait list to get a notification, so should be able to get in now. All right, I think I'm going to wrap things up, guys. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. Memberships are also available. More details in the description below if you wish to help support the channel that way. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll wrap things up just as we wander into the Amex Lounge here, which is down there. This is where you come out from security. All right, we'll see you in the next one.